Find another auto clicker, which is OP auto clicker now. So I've already set the point, so I'm going to execute now. So to avoid a mistake of not one clicking while the other doesn't, I'll set this to 3 times. So this will click 3 times. Okay, so I'll show us that. So this is a classic case of the two being wrong. This can happen, but you should make your profit back before such thing happens again. Remember I said don't trade it when it is ranging, so you have to check the market first before you take a trade. So I have this back. So I'll execute again. Now why am I using an auto clicker? Is to click as fast as possible. If I try to do it manually, I may not be able to get it right at the same time. So I have one profit and one loss. So I'll repeat the process again. Okay, so I have one profit, one loss. To reduce the risk of the market coming in between those little gaps, you can reduce this 0.3 to 0.2 or 0.25, though your profit will be reduced. So I prefer using 0.3, but you can always tweak around this. So I'll execute it one more. Okay, so I already made back my loss, which is, so each trade gives me 39%. Okay, so I need about 3 to make 100%. So if I win 3, I make back 100%. So I'll do this again. Remember, always check first if the market is moving or not. You can always have a device or somewhere to check how the candles are moving before you execute. And by the way, this can only work on Smart Trader. I also tried using Deriv bot, but it works for a while, but sometimes it gives up because Deriv bot sometimes can reset itself. So I think the best way to do this is to do it manually. This is a very risky one. Okay, so you can see my balance is rising already. So I hope you get this. If you have any question whatsoever, you can let me know in the comment section. Right, for other indices, I would also try out the amount you can use to work with this, but I prefer using volatility 100. Alright guys, I will see you guys later.